Looking for the best free tools to organize your projects and boost productivity? In this video, we'll review the top 5 free project management tools. Let's get started. First up is Trello. This popular tool uses boards, lists, and cards to help you visualize tasks and workflows. With the free plan, you get unlimited cards up to 10 boards per workspace and easy-to-use collaboration features. Trello's interface is highly intuitive. Drag and drop cards to different lists, set due dates, and add attachments with just a few clicks. It's perfect for both personal and team projects. Next is ClickUp. This all-in-one tool offers a generous free plan with unlimited tasks and users. ClickUp combines project management, docs, spreadsheets, goal tracking, and more into one platform. The dashboard is highly customizable. You can view your tasks as lists, boards, calendars, or Gantt charts. With features like priorities, statuses, and time tracking, ClickUp is perfect for those who want a comprehensive solution. Third on our list is Asana. Known for its clean and user-friendly interface, Asana's free plan allows up to 15 team members. In Asana, you can create tasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, and organize tasks into projects. The dashboard offers multiple views like list, board, and calendar, making it easy to track progress and deadlines. Fourth is Wrike. Wrike's free plan supports up to 5 users and includes task management, file sharing, and real-time activity updates. The dashboard lets you organize tasks into folders and projects. While the free version doesn't include Gantt charts or custom dashboards, it's sufficient for small teams needing basic project management features. Last but not least, Notion. Notion is a versatile workspace that combines notes, databases, and project management. The free plan offers unlimited pages and blocks for individuals. The dashboard is fully customizable. You can create Kanban boards, to-do lists, calendars, and more. If you prefer flexibility and an all-in-one workspace, Notion is the way to go. So there you have it, the top 5 free project management tools to keep your projects on track. Whether you prefer the visual boards of Trello, the all-encompassing features of ClickUp, the simplicity of Asana, the collaborative focus of Wrike, or the flexibility of Notion, there's a tool here for every need. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.